Are you tired of dull, cracked, or outdated floors that make your room look old-fashioned? Well, here's some good news. You don't need to spend days or hire professionals to get that luxurious flooring finish. With PVC vinyl flooring, you can completely transform your space in just 30 minutes. And yes, it's as easy as it sounds. PVC vinyl flooring has become one of the hottest home improvement trends in 2025 because it's stylish, affordable, and super easy to install. Whether you want the warmth of wood, the elegance of marble, or the sleek look of stone, PVC vinyl gives you all of that without the high cost or long installation time. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to install vinyl flooring all by yourself. No fancy tools or prior experience required. You'll learn how to prepare your floor, cut and lay the planks, and get a smooth, professional finish, all in under half an hour. So, if you've been dreaming of giving your living room, bedroom, or even office a quick makeover, grab your tools and get ready. By the end of this video, you'll see just how fun and easy DIY flooring can be. Let's dive in and turn your ordinary floor into something extraordinary. 1. Why choose PVC vinyl flooring? Before we jump into the installation, let's talk about why PVC vinyl flooring is one of the best choices for your home in 2025. It's not just affordable, it's practical, stylish, and built to last. PVC vinyl flooring is 100% waterproof, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and areas that often deal with moisture. It's also scratch-resistant and stain-proof, which means it can easily handle kids, pets, and heavy furniture without losing its shine. One of the best parts? It perfectly mimics the look of real wood, stone, or marble, so you get that luxurious feel without the high cost or complicated installation. You can choose from a variety of textures and finishes, from warm oak tones to sleek gray marble, to match any interior style. Plus, vinyl flooring is soft underfoot, reducing noise and adding comfort to your daily life. Whether you live in an apartment or a villa, it's a quick and smart way to upgrade your floors without any mess or heavy tools. So if you're looking for flooring that's modern, durable, and budget-friendly, PVC vinyl flooring is the perfect choice. 2. Tools and materials you'll need. Now that you're ready to start, let's get everything you need prepared. Don't worry, this project doesn't require expensive or hard-to-find tools. You'll just need a few basic items. PVC vinyl planks or sheets. Choose your favorite design, wood, stone, or marble finish. Measuring tape and ruler, to measure and cut your pieces accurately. Utility knife or cutter, for trimming the planks neatly. Adhesive, if required. Some vinyl floors come with click lock systems, others might need glue. Roller, to press the vinyl down and remove air bubbles. Cleaning cloth or mop, to wipe the floor before and after installation. Keep everything within reach to make your installation smooth and fast. Most of these tools are easy to handle, no drilling or special equipment needed. Once you have your materials ready, you're all set to start transforming your space. In the next step, we'll show you how to prepare your floor surface for perfect, long-lasting results. 3. Preparing the floor surface. Before you start laying down your vinyl flooring, preparation is key. A well-prepared surface ensures your new floor looks smooth, stays durable, and fits perfectly. Start by removing any old carpet, tiles, or uneven flooring. Then give the surface a good clean, sweep, vacuum, and mop to make sure there's no dust, dirt, or debris. Even a small pebble or bump can affect how your vinyl planks sit, so take your time here. Next, make sure the floor is completely dry and level. If you notice cracks or uneven patches, fill them with a leveling compound or patching material. This step is important because a smooth base means your vinyl will lay flat and look seamless once installed. Here's a quick pro tip. If your room has concrete floors, you can use an underlayment sheet or primer to help with grip and insulation. It'll not only make installation easier but also reduce sound and improve comfort underfoot. Once the surface feels clean, dry, and smooth, you're ready for the fun part, installing your brand new PVC vinyl flooring. 4. Step-by-step installation process. Now comes the exciting moment, installing your vinyl flooring. Don't worry if you've never done this before. The process is easy, fast, and honestly, pretty satisfying. Step 1. Start by measuring your room and planning your layout. Always begin from one corner of the room and work your way across to maintain a clean alignment. Step 2. Take your first vinyl plank or sheet and place it in position. If it's click-lock vinyl, simply connect the edges together. You'll hear a soft click when it fits perfectly. If it's glue-down vinyl, apply a thin layer of adhesive using a trowel and gently press the plank into place. Step 3. Use your utility knife to trim the vinyl pieces when needed, especially near walls, corners, or obstacles like door frames. Measure carefully and make small, clean cuts for a snug fit. Step 4. As you continue laying each piece, make sure there are no visible gaps between them. Use your roller to smooth out the surface and remove any air bubbles for a flawless finish. You'll be amazed at how quickly your floor starts coming together, piece by piece. It's like giving your room an instant, modern makeover. Within minutes, you'll start seeing that fresh, sleek look take shape. Once the entire surface is covered, give it a gentle roll over again to ensure every piece is securely in place. And just like that, you've completed the main installation in less than 30 minutes. 5. Finishing touches. Now that your vinyl flooring is installed, it's time to give it that perfect professional finish. This step is all about making your floor look neat, smooth, and beautifully complete. Start by checking the edges along your walls and corners. If there's any extra vinyl sticking out, use your utility knife to carefully trim it for a clean, sharp edge. Take your time. Clean edges make a big difference in how polished the final result looks. Next, use your roller one last time to firmly press down all the planks or sheets. This helps remove any tiny air pockets that might still be underneath and ensures the adhesive, if used, sticks properly. If you're working with glue-down vinyl, wipe off any excess adhesive before it dries. Then, install your skirting boards or floor trims along the wall edges. This not only hides any gaps but also adds a professional finishing touch to your new flooring. Finally, take a few steps back and admire your work. You've just installed beautiful, modern flooring all by yourself, and in under 30 minutes. Your space now looks fresh, stylish, and brand new. 6. Maintenance and care tips. To keep your new PVC vinyl flooring looking as stunning as the day you installed it, proper care is super simple. No polishing, no waxing, and definitely no stress. Start by sweeping or vacuuming regularly to remove dust and debris. Vinyl flooring is smooth and easy to clean, so a quick pass every few days will keep it spotless. For deeper cleaning, just use a damp mop with mild soapy water, but make sure not to soak the floor. Vinyl is waterproof, but excess water can seep into corners and affect the adhesive over time. Avoid dragging heavy furniture across the floor. Instead, lift or use felt pads under furniture legs to prevent scratches. And if something spills, wipe it immediately with a soft cloth to keep that shine intact. Here's a pro tip. Place rugs or mats near entryways to reduce dirt buildup and protect high-traffic areas. The best part? PVC vinyl flooring doesn't fade easily, even under sunlight, so your stylish new floor will stay bright and beautiful for years. With just a little care, your flooring will continue to look fresh, clean, and elegant every single day. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you celebrate your new flooring masterpiece, let's quickly go over some common mistakes that can ruin an otherwise perfect installation, and how you can easily avoid them. First, never install vinyl on an uneven or dirty surface. If the base floor isn't clean and level, the vinyl will show bumps, bubbles, or even start peeling over time. Always make sure your foundation is smooth before laying down a single plank. Second, don't skip the measuring step. Many beginners get excited and start cutting right away, but that often leads to wasted material or mismatched edges. Always double-check your room dimensions before you cut, and plan the layout so you won't end up with thin or awkward pieces at the edges. Third, avoid rushing the process. Even though the title says 30 minutes, that doesn't mean cutting corners. Take your time with each step, especially trimming and alignment. A few extra minutes spent carefully pressing each piece into place will give your floor that flawless, professional look. And lastly, let the vinyl acclimate to your room's temperature before installation. Simply leave the vinyl planks in the room for a few hours before you start. This helps prevent expansion or shrinkage later on, ensuring a perfect long-term fit. Avoiding these small mistakes can make a huge difference, turning your DIY project into a smooth, durable, and truly professional finish. 8. Benefits recap and before/after impact. Let's take a moment to look back and appreciate the transformation you've just achieved. In just 30 minutes, you've gone from a dull, outdated floor to a sleek, modern surface that completely changes the vibe of your room. PVC vinyl flooring doesn't just look good, it feels great too. It's soft, quiet, and comfortable underfoot, making every step feel luxurious. It's also tough enough to handle daily wear and tear, meaning your floor will stay beautiful for years without constant maintenance or costly touch-ups. The before and after impact is incredible. What was once an ordinary space now looks fresh, stylish, and high-end. The reflective finish of vinyl adds light to the room, making it look larger and more welcoming. Plus, with so many textures and patterns available, from warm wood grains to elegant marble looks, you can easily match it with any interior style. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or office, vinyl flooring brings instant sophistication without breaking the bank. So as you admire your new floor, remember, you didn't just install vinyl, you created a space that feels brand new. And the best part? You did it yourself, easily and confidently, in under half an hour. And there you have it, your very own PVC vinyl flooring transformation, done in just 30 minutes. You've seen how simple, quick, and satisfying it can be to upgrade your home without any professional help. With just a few tools, a clean surface, and a little patience, you've turned your old, dull floors into something modern, sleek, and elegant. PVC vinyl flooring truly proves that home improvement doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. It's durable, waterproof, stylish, and low maintenance. The perfect solution for anyone who wants a fresh new look on a budget. So whether you're revamping your living room, refreshing your office, or adding warmth to your bedroom, vinyl flooring gives you that designer touch with minimal effort. Take a moment to appreciate your work. Because you didn't just install a floor, you transformed your entire space. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy home renovation ideas and design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next home upgrade is just one DIY away.